With ESA's launch of GIOVE 3 days after Christmas, one of Europe's most ambitious technology projects ever began to materialize. Silent, yet unstoppable, the clocks are now ticking for the deployment of Galileo, Europe's own satellite navigation system. Since January the 12th, the day the signal generator on board the GIOVE satellite was switched on, the first of the Galileo test satellites has been sending valuable navigation signals. And it will continue to do so around the clock, every day of the year, while simultaneously testing performance in the radiation levels of the selected orbits. Thanks to the atomic clocks installed on board, the signals transmitted by navigation satellites are extremely precise. A small, cheap receiver will suffice to determine a person's position on the globe, or the direction of a moving object, with an accuracy of 1 meter or less. Expectations are extremely high, and one of the first tasks of ESA's engineers will be to determine the system's capacity to meet them. They know the signal generator is at the heart of every navigation satellite, and they're confident GIOVE will comply with top performance standards. But GIOVE alone cannot provide a navigation service, as signals from at least 4 different satellites are needed to ensure accurate positioning information. It will, however, perform important tests for the new system.
New orbit, new clocks, new technology in general for the navigation signal generation, and radiation environment monitoring for the MEO orbit, that is a full new orbit never flown from European satellite.
GIOVE will indeed pave the way for more launches until Galileo is completed, with a total of 30 satellites on orbit operated by a future Galileo operating company. Like America's GPS and Russia's GLONASS, Galileo is a global system. Unlike GPS, however, it's a civilian system with a service guarantee, which is fundamental for commercial services and competition on the global market for satellite navigation. It will also be compatible with GPS and GLONASS. Users around the globe will enjoy a so-called open service, comparable to GPS in that it's free of charge, plus a commercial service with higher precision and a service guarantee. The revenues obtained will be used to cover the costs of Galileo. The new system will improve all areas of transport and traffic control, whether on land, sea or in the air, for individuals and businesses alike. But the Galileo revolution will affect many other areas, from mobile phone applications to internet banking or shopping.
Thank you very much.
Developed jointly by the European Union and ESA, Galileo is open to international cooperation. Agreements with non-European countries have already been signed or are in the process, giving Galileo a truly global dimension. It was a successful first launch, but Galileo presents many more challenges. Europe wishes to make the ultimate constellation of 30 satellites performing, reliable and cost-efficient at the same time. Europe's citizens have a right to expect this from their space agency. To get there, a long way and much work lies ahead for ESA's scientists and engineers.